Okay, so this is the very first video. This is our 49 Chevy, classic Chevy 3100 series. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. We're going to try to get this engine going. It'll be a challenge since we're novice at this, and neither one of us has ever built or rebuilt, I should say, an engine before, and hopefully it won't need totally rebuilding. We ordered some books, and of course we're watching YouTube, so hopefully we can get through it. But the first problem we have is when my husband went to pick up the truck, he forgot to ask the guy if he had the key. So we don't have a key for this truck. So we were told that sometimes it's inside the handles. Having a little bit difficulty getting to that. We took the panel off the driver's side, and there's a cotter pin that's rusted inside here, and we're trying to look inside this handle, and it doesn't look like there's any numbers there. So if any of you guys can help us out there, that'd be awesome. And then I read where someone said, well, try the passenger side. So it does have this lock here on the passenger side. But again, these handles are so old. We took off this panel and we're having trouble getting the handle off to see if maybe there is a I guess it's called an ignition code. Yeah, the inside's pretty rough, you know, but we expected that. It also looks like to me that this has been, the floor panels have been worked on. Looks like a new, I don't think that's factory, that the way that is cut too rough. And there was this old Bowie knife in here, and we're having to take down dirt dogs. A lot of cleaning up to do, and there is some rust, so we're hoping we can get it in pretty good shape. There's the old seat. It's ripped, of course. Okay, here's the battery. Of course, the wires are all just hanging out. Feeling a little bit discouraged, but didn't really know what to expect from an old truck. This is our first time doing this. You can see the glass, I think all but one glass is shattered. So that'll have to all be replaced, and just a lot to take in at the moment. So we're just trying to process this, trying to go with people's suggestions on see about getting it started first. I would like to keep it stock and keep this inline 6 motor. I mean, I'm just going to be driving it, or we are, I should say, but mostly me, just around town and not every day. So I don't know. You guys tell me. Looks pretty rough, but I've seen people work wonders with these things on YouTube. So hopefully we'll have some luck. Okay, well that's about it for right now. We're gonna work on getting this door handle off and see if there's an ignition code stamped inside that we can get a key made, and hopefully, you know, start working on this. Okay guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye.